Hi friends, this is Amlan Devnath, your instructor for today's class. Today we will be discussing regarding modules. So, what are modules? Modules are just Python files which can be referred in another code. Suppose you have a project of 5 files. In one of them, you have main file and the other 4 files which your main file is referring, those can be called as modules. A module is a single file in which you can create your code which needs to be referred in the main function. There are uncountable number of modules present for Python libraries. Many are already created at the beginning and many are always in the developing stage. Day by day, those modules gets more stronger. In this video, we will also discuss how to create your own Python module. Let us first start with some popular common modules. One of them can be sys module, SYS. So how to import a module in your Python? It's very simple. You just have to write import and the module name. This module has many functionalities. Let us go through one. This sys module can take variables from the command line. So now let us learn how to run a function from command line. Running a Python program from command line is nothing but just running your program through command prompt in your Windows and through terminal in your Mac. Let us see how we can do that one. Simply just you have to write Python space and you have to pass the name of the file in which your code is present. Along with that, you can pass all your required variables that you need to send to the program. For example, Franklin. In this way, you can pass a variable to your program. Now let us see how this sys module helps to pick up these variables. Sys module has one functionality that is called argv. What is this argv doing? This argv function picks up the parameters which are passed after Python and creates a list out of it. In 0th position, we will have main.py and in first position, we have Franklin. So let us see what we get. Let us take it inside values. Print values. Here, these values is a list having at 0th position our main.py and Franklin at first position. So this is the list. Now with this argv we can use the values in our program. Let us create a function. Say hi. What it will do? It will print hi sys.argv. Let us take the value at first position and call the function. Simple. Now let us run it from command line. You can see we are getting hi Franklin. We can pass any number of variables which we want to be taken into the program. Suppose we want to pass two names, then it should be like hi, comma and sys argv 2. So if we pass two names, Franklin and David, we should be getting two names, hi Franklin and David. This sys module is very much handy when you are testing your program multiple times. All the variables which you require are already created and you can pass at a once to your program so that it picks up those one by one and run your code. Let us see how we can download the modules which are already created so that our works can be easy. I can already access command prompt from VS Code, so let me try to show you from here only. You have to just run the pip command along with the module name. So how we can do that one? Pip install matplotlib. If we run this, all the packages and modules related to matplotlib will be downloaded and installed into our machine. If I already have this installed in my machine, it will say condition already satisfies. Let us try. We can see requirements already satisfied and the cached matplotlib has been used to install the packages for matplotlib. Let us try a module which is not present in this machine, PySpark. Pip install PySpark. As you can see, this is downloading PySpark tar. This may require some time depending on your network speed, and once all the dependencies are downloaded, it will install the module to your machine. Here you can see it is showing successfully installed PySpark. In this way, you can download and install any of your required modules which are already present. Now let us come back to the topic where we can create our own modules. As I have already told you, module is nothing but just a Python file with .py extension which can be used in main.py. So how we can create that one? Let us see. In the same folder where your main.py is present, there you can create a new file. You may give it name as refer.py. Now let us create a function here. Def say hello. Print hi, welcome to Python. Now you can use this one in your main file. How? You just have to import this refer file. Import refer, just like you have imported sys. Now you can use this function that is present in refer.py directly in your main.py. How? You have to use refer dot say hello. If you run this one, the print value present in say hello function. Let us try. As you can see, when you are running this main.py and importing refer and calling a function that is present in the refer file, we can do the task. So in this way, you can create your own modules, use it in your main program. So it is very much clear. In our next video, we will be discussing regarding packages. So stay tuned, stay happy. And if you have any doubt, just ask in the comment. I will be happy to answer you. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.